So, hi traders, in today's video I will talk about a really important topic in trading. I would say a key to succeed in trading. So, let's start. And this is how to remain normal when you start day trading. Because I see a lot of traders just start to go insane and they don't sleep, they don't eat, they don't go out, and it is really dangerous. So don't do that. And the first thing is I would recommend is set realistic goals at the beginning of your trading career, and don't set goals like I will be a fucking millionaire in one day and I'm a god because I know everything about trading. This is completely the wrong attitude about it. So set your goals realistic. This is the first thing. The second thing is don't compare yourself to others, and don't believe people who tell you that just quit trading, quit your dreams and start a normal life and just so this is, I think, a bit complex because you don't want an office job, a boring job that won't lead you anywhere, but you have to remain normal and sane to be self-employed as well. So don't compare your results, your achievements in trading to other traders, because that will also lead you nowhere, because trading is about your own skills to make yourself a better person, and not just in trading but in any area of your life. So quit always compare your results to other traders. The next thing is I would recommend to you that just take a break sometimes from trading, because I see again so many traders just overtrade and they don't sleep, they don't eat, they don't do anything beside trading. And this was me. I did this and it was horrible to my social life, to my health. So don't do it. Just take a break sometime, go on a vacation and forget trading. Just the environment of it, and just enjoy yourself, enjoy the world around you, enjoy your love, your friends, and eat healthy foods, and just live a life. The next thing might sound a bit strange, but it works for me, and so just be healthy all around and eat healthy and take walks in nature, and just clear your mind when you are not trading, because this will lead you a much better understanding of nature. And trading and the markets are the part of nature. So it might sound strange, but believe me, it works. The last thing is, if you are successful in trading, you are an exceptional individual who is self-employed and can take care of itself. So just sometimes reward yourself with some stuff, some good meals, a nice watch or something. I don't like things, but I really like traveling. So I always reward myself with a nice traveling somewhere when when I closed a good trading month. And it is great for your brain, so it will know that when you are successful in trading, you are successful in life. So these were my tips. I wish you the best, and see you next time.